Well, look at that. We're gonna try this exhaust manifold again on the, I was gonna say Honda. This ain't no Honda. On the Subaru, but now I have the new oil pan in. Well, it's not new. It's the one from the other engine, but now I have it. And I'm hoping, that this exhaust, well, not exhaust, header, we'll call it a header. I'm hoping this header will fit this time and go up in there. Oh boy, am I hoping. So I'll get her all set up and we'll get going. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a wide angle look on this one. Wide angle. Oh, I sure am hoping this goes up here. Well, gaskets are still in place, so that's a good sign. This is gonna be a pain. That's why I bought a jack. This could be a two-person job, but I'm a one-person guy right now. I feel like it's got room. I gotta get in here better. Somehow, I gotta get in here better. I don't know. If I had the car up higher, maybe I would have done better. Let me try to get her situated in there. Okay, so I have the other side started. All I'm doing is, hopefully, oh my word, these go up here. Just hang up there, friends. Man, I don't know. Do I gotta let the other out a little? Oh my word, why is this? I'm clearing the oil pan with this exhaust. Yeah, I think I gotta let, okay. So I got her. I had to let, I had them bolted in too far on the other side. So I had to, I hit my head. Oh, I don't use it for much more than mechanical stuff, so that's okay. At least that's what the wife says. Ha ha ha. At least I can plug in the O2 sensors. Maybe this thing will run. Not sure. Oh my word. So far, bolts are going in nice. Oh, what are these supposed to be torqued at? I think 24? I'm not sure at all. Huh. I'm gonna have to recheck. I'm gonna have to torque him. I don't know if I can get a... Oh, why is that one rough? I don't want to go in very well. Neither does this one. Okay, I'll have to take a look at that. Well, I can take these ones over here. And I can take the jack out. Third hand. Nice to have a jack once in a while, eh? It's like a third hand, third arm. Okay, I think I can take her out. There you go. Thank you, Sir Jack. You did a fine job. That'd be nice starting this thing. I probably will start it after this. We'll see how she runs. Plug in the O2 sensors. Hopefully they'll run. It'll run better. It's been running pretty crappy. High idle. So, hopefully that'll fix a bit of that. All right. Okay. Oh my word. I'll have to see what the torque settings are. So the internet tells me 22.3 or something. I'm going to torque him to 25. That's what I'm going to do. So, where is my... I don't know. Oh, it's under the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to torque him to 25 for those, what do they call it? Exhaust manifold bolts. And hopefully that'll work for me. I don't know. At 22, I don't know. I don't know, somebody's going to say, oh, you should stick to the recommended. My vehicle, I don't have to. So there. That's just the way it is. I need a better thing. Oh, I don't know if there's any order here. So I'm just going to torque them the way I see fit. Get this contraption up here. There, I found one. There we go. That one's at 25. There's another bolt. Oh, there's one right here. Oh. Ooh. There we go. And the last one. And by the way, this thing hasn't run out of battery power. Like so many people have actually said that theirs, when they bought it, has. My torque wrench thing here hasn't. Man, I'm having a tough time with this extension on here. Let's pull that off. Getting it in here. Oh, I can't even see what I'm doing. That's terrible when you can't see what you're doing. Where is it? I can't even see it. There we go. Oh, well, now I need an extension. Dang it. Yeah, the things that happen. Oh, it's wearing me out. Okay, there we go. Got it in. I get an angle on it here. There we go. All right. The other one I'm going to do off camera. There, you get to hear me get up. I'm an old guy. That's the way it is. So here we are with the O2 sensors. I think this is them. And this is them. I think this one plugs into that one. I think it goes this way. Yeah, it did. Amazing. Amazing I got that one right. You can't really screw these up too much, can you? She's gonna go like this. There's a mosquito in here. What the heck? I don't know if you saw that mosquito fly by. There is a mosquito in here. Tuck those down there for now. Figure a way to get them all tied up and out of the way because the bracket was so shot. I couldn't really use it. So I gotta do some zip tying around this thing. Still think my alternator's not working, but who knows. But I'll start her up. Yeah. So just so you know, this could be loud. You know, just the headers on. Can't be though as loud as the open exhaust I had on. But this could be loud. So, just a warning. start at all. Okay, what did I do? I had to see what I did. It ain't going. All right, we're gonna try that again. It's usually a hiccup for me, isn't it? The ground wasn't tight enough. So, let's give her another try and see if it starts. Where's the key? I leave the key in it. Not yet. Oh. Really? Nope, still no start for some reason. I had power a second ago. Let's try that. Okay, looks like I've got power again. Wow, these cables. No, what is going on? Oh. And it's turning into a complete disaster trying to start this thing up for you. Oh. Let's try that. Oh, the light's not on. Okay, let me figure this one out. It's always something, isn't it? Okay, she's dinging now. Hopefully it'll start. About ready to give up. Maybe I'll never get to hear this exhaust. This is a joke. What is going on here? Is this battery cable? This thing is toast. Oh, this thing is such crap. I gotta get a new battery cable. Okay, maybe you won't get to hear it. Okay, it turned out it wasn't the ground cable. It's also, well, it's both of them. Both of them are garbage. Turned out I had to tighten the bolt on the positive. Oh, they're both garbage. They need to be changed. They're going to get changed for sure. Let's try it now. Why's the stereo on? I don't think that donor engine was as good as the guy was telling me it was. She smokes pretty good. That's not a good thing. And yeah. And it won't come off a fast idle for some reason. I got everything plugged in right. I just don't know what it is. And she smokes. She's an oil burner. Or something. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out. There's some codes already, so I'll have to read some codes and see what she's saying. But, wow. Took her for a drive around the yard. It was kind of nice. Then it quit. Then it started to smoke some more. And then by the time I parked it, it was smoking a lot. So what we got here is a smoker. Yeah, that didn't sound so cool. Darn. Oh well, thanks for watching.